to talk about something really serious today. Dryer venting. Folks, if your dryer's not venting right, you can create all kinds of problems on the inside of your house. You can also create a fire. Venting a dryer, what that does is it gets out the moist, warm air and the wetness out of your clothes. That's why we call it a dryer. You need to make sure that the air that is blowing through your clothes to get them dry is going outside. If it goes inside, you got problems. Check this out. Here we have a crazy situation going on with the dryer vent. Let's just look and see what it does. This house had been there for about 17 years. They were exhausting their dryer air into the bottom of a cabinet. That's really bad. We recommended that the buyer get some air sampling done because I'm going to guess there's probably a lot of mold spores in this house because we've been pumping warm, moist air into the bottom of a cabinet for 17 years. That's gross. Make sure that your dryer vent is exhausting outside and make sure it's clean. I'm going to do another video on that one of these days. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. We appreciate it.